work with the principles. Isang hagod lang to bale. But the purpose why we're doing this para ma-apply ka agad ng mga estudyante, no? Normally, if you do have a pencil, okay, and you wanted to shade, tulad nga na nabanggit natin. So, paano nga ba ito? Ito yung dulo. Okay. So, normally, hindi ako nagbe-blend eh. Ang ginagawa ko lang talaga is totally kung anong hagod ng pencil. You will see that I'll be working with layering. So, this is 1, then this is 2, and this is 3. So, may gradient ka agad. Okay, may gradient siya. But definitely, that is not just the stroke that you need. Kasi pwede kang gumamit ng iba pa. For example, you'll just do this. Okay, you'll just do that. Probably one layer, and another one, and another one. Okay. Take note, ang application dito is linear. So you do have dark tone to light tone, dark tone to light tone. Pero pag sa actual na perspectives, iba yung mga applications nito. You can actually work